Thinking of upgrading from the Xiaomi Truclean W20 to the newer W30 Pro? It looks like a big upgrade, but do those Pro features actually matter in real-life cleaning? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into honest tech comparisons, you're in the right place. Today, we're comparing the Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro and the Truclean W20 to find out what's really improved and whether upgrading is actually worth your money. Suction power. The W30 Pro jumps to 18,000 PA versus 15,000 PA, about a 20% increase. In real use, that means better pickup of dirt and debris, stronger performance on sticky or dried stains. Battery life. W30 Pro lasts around 40 minutes, compared to about 30 minutes on the W20. That's a noticeable upgrade if you're cleaning bigger spaces. 1. Anti-tangle system. Big deal for pet owners. The W30 Pro introduces a 4-stage anti-tangle system that can handle long hair much better. Real impact? Less manual cleaning, better for homes with pets or long hair. 2. Hot water plus hot air self-cleaning. This is one of the biggest upgrades. The W30 Pro uses hot water washing up to 80 degrees C hot air drying. Why this matters? Prevents bad smells, keeps the roller brush dry and hygienic, less maintenance compared to W20.
3. Lie flat cleaning design. The W30 Pro can go 180 degrees flat, making it easier to clean under beds and sofas. W20 limitation. Struggles with low spaces. Requires manual cleaning in tight areas. 4. Better water and stain control. The W30 Pro has improved water management, reducing wet streaks and drying time. Result? Floors dry faster, less slippery surfaces. What didn't change much? Both still combine vacuum plus mop in one pass. Both are easy to use and beginner-friendly. Both are best suited for hard floors, tiles, wood, etc. So, if you already own the W20, the core experience is still similar. Who should upgrade? Go for W30 Pro if you want less maintenance, anti-tangle plus drying, you have pets or long hair issues, you clean large areas regularly, you want a more premium, hassle-free experience. Stick with W20 if you're on a budget, you only clean small spaces, you don't mind manual maintenance. Final verdict. So, are the Pro features actually worth it? Yes, but only if you care about convenience. The W30 Pro doesn't just clean better, it reduces effort, which is the real upgrade. But if you just want a simple, affordable wet-dry vacuum, the W20 still does the job. So, what do you think? Would you upgrade to the W30 Pro or stick with the W20? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next honest review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.